Hey, Aidan Booth here, coming to you from Monaco, where I'm about to embark on a road trip to a special mastermind where I'm meeting up with a few friends in Lake Como. And once I'm up there, I'm going to be sharing with them a secret system that I've been using. There are 3 steps to it, and how those 3 steps are generating thousands of dollars per day in my business. I mean, this is huge money to the tune of over $10,900 in a single day, over $45,700 in a single week, and over $183,000 in a single month. Now, this is something that is simple to run. It's not related to e-commerce in any way at all. There's no customer service, there's no inventory, there's none of the typical headaches. In fact, with this business model, there's no selling whatsoever, and it gets even better because it is incredibly simple. In fact, the websites that allow me to make this kind of money can have as little as 27 words on them, and then all I need to do is add in traffic and I can potentially be making huge amounts of money. Now, I've been running my online business for over 15 years, and this is without doubt as automated and as hands-off as it comes. And this is good news, obviously, the main benefit being freedom, and the freedom to allow you to pursue your dreams, just like what I'm doing right now, right here in Monaco. So what do I have for you here today? I've got a book which is going to give you a sneak peek at this incredible system and reveal how you can potentially start making money with this right away. The book shares the details step by step, showing you how to go from zero through to earning thousands of dollars in a single day, and how you could potentially follow in my footsteps. But that's not all. When you enter your information on the form, in the form that you can see on this page, you're also going to be able to come along with me on this journey, on this road trip, get more insights into everything that this business is doing. And I'm going to be cruising through 4 countries in the next few days, and you're going to be able to see some really cool footage around that. I've got this amazing Ferrari, so you're going to be seeing some of that, and also see how much money I'm making every step of the way. So some behind the scenes insights that you are absolutely gonna love. But that's not all. Just for good measure, I'm also gonna put you in the draw to win $5,000 in cash, and all you need to do to get all of this good stuff is enter your information in the form that you can see on this page. So do that right now. Now, a word of warning, depending on when you are watching this video, this might not be available for long, so take action right now, and I'll see you on the other side.